Baruch Hashem, c'est Shabbos.
Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos. Heilige Tayere Shabbos. Once the wine is poured, we become restored. Baruch Hashem, it's Shabbos.
Pam pararam 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 pam pararam 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 pam pararam pararam pararam. Hey Macarena, hey up pararam pam pararam pam pararam param pam pararam pam param param pam pararam. Hey Macarena, hey. Guacamole. No. Guacamole! Guacamole. Today we're gonna make some real authentic guacamole. I think I want to serve this together with your Eimertzwiebel. So we're gonna prepare some nice guacamole and then we'll do the next step and show you how to serve this. For guacamole, I'm gonna need some fresh cilantro, fresh lime, the chili lime spice, some scallions, a little shallots, wincy schmincy garlic, a little tomatoes, and then we're gonna plate it with some alfalfa sprouts, some radish. If you're lazy to do all that, you can stop this episode right now, go out, buy the Hadar guacamole, and you're good. Cut your avocados in half. This recipe is gonna be for 3 avocados. Now, how do you get the pit out? Let me show you a little trick. Get a good knife. Rule number 1. Then you go, oops. That's it. Then take a knife. Once you make some nice incisions in your avocado, look how easy that is. Just thinking, how many of these guys that do this in the Hadar factory when they make this guacamole, you have any idea how many guys have to do this? Yum. Some lime. Salt and pepper. The lime is gonna do some nice magic. I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna cut up some tomato, small little dice. I'm gonna use you a little later. A little scallions. The scallions you can add right in here. Just a little bit of garlic. Geffen has those cubes in the freezer. You could just take one of those cubes. It's just as good. Jalapeno. I'm gonna use a half a jalapeno and I'm gonna take out the seeds. So it's not that spicy, but it gives it a nice little crunch. There we go. Fresh cilantro. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Let's give it a little mix. Wow. This is so delicious. I can eat this every day of my life. You know what? I'm gonna make this even better. This new spice from Rivki Kleiman. You all know Rivki Kleiman, come on. She's like a superstar. And she has this chili lime spice. Next level. Beauty. Now let's give it a mix. Wow, wow, wow. Great job on that chili lime spice. You can serve this as is, as a guacamole salad, but let me show you how to take this to the next level at your Shabbos meal. Give me a second, I'll be right back. So we cleaned up, we're all ready for the next step. Everybody else is doing their job, I'm just sitting here relaxing, having a nice glass of Baron Herzog. I'm doing my thing. Time. Sourdough, the new thing. Heaven and Earth has a great sourdough. Find it in your freezer section, you take it out, you put it in your oven for a few minutes. Yum. You know, like avocado toast has become like the latest mishigas in all the restaurants. You're gonna do an Eimertzwiebel avocado toast. You made a great, great guacamole. Then you're gonna take your eggs. Let me show you. This is a jammy egg. This is like a 6.5-minute egg. You have to time your eggs. It's gonna be beautiful and jammy inside. Not gonna be too runny. That's what you want. Wow. Capiche? You guys following? You got your jammy eggs ready. Next, a little shallots. What's einmal Zwiebel without Zwiebel? We're gonna dice up a shallot. A little bit of scallions. Careful how you cut. You don't want to cut your fingers. Right in there. So now we have everything ready. And here comes the fun part. And voila! Take your beautiful, delicious sourdough, lay it out. Take some of the guacamole. I need another spoon. Anybody have another spoon? Nothing better than having my producer, hi Weisz. For all you people that like the pachka on your Shabbos day meal, come on, I think I got an award for this. There we go. Little tomato. Little scallion, little shallots, jammy egg, right on top. Yeah. Now here comes your alfalfa sprouts. I'm a professional chef today, okay? Let's go. Yum. Whew. Now we got some radish. Don't tell me you're not going to be a winner on this one. Until next episode, my name is Yussi Weisz. L'chaim.
You're gonna put the eggs back in here. You're gonna cut up this and this, and so you're gonna put it in here.
Oh, okay.
You're gonna transfer everything to that board. You're gonna say 1 second. I have to do my whole setup. Make some.
Oh, okay, okay.
You're gonna
Move this away,
I have a very fancy setup.
and then we'll take that.
You're gonna-
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Uri Hashem, se Shabbos.